The Blue Zone diet is more than just a diet. It is a lifestyle. It is inspired by regions where people live the longest and healthiest lives. These regions are called Blue Zones. The diet focuses on whole, unprocessed foods. It emphasizes plant-based eating and limits animal products. The Blue Zone diet is not about restriction, it is about enjoying food and celebrating life. This way of eating is not a fad diet. It is a sustainable way to improve health and well-being. People in Blue Zones often live to 100 years old or more. They have lower rates of chronic diseases. The Blue Zone diet can help you live a longer, healthier life too. This diet is about more than just food. It is about community, movement, and purpose. By adopting these principles, you can improve your health and well-being. You can also connect with a global community that values longevity and vitality. The Blue Zone diet is a powerful tool for living a long and healthy life. It is a way to nourish your body and soul. It is a way to connect with others and find joy in everyday life. The Blue Zone diet is primarily plant-based. This means eating lots of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Beans are a staple food. They are full of fiber and protein. Nuts and seeds are also important. They provide healthy fats and nutrients. Animal products are consumed in moderation. Meat is eaten only a few times a month. Fish is a good source of protein and is eaten once or twice a week. Dairy and eggs are consumed occasionally. Sugar is limited in the Blue Zone diet. Natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup are used sparingly. Water is the primary beverage. Coffee and tea are enjoyed in moderation. The Blue Zone diet emphasizes whole, unprocessed foods. These foods are naturally nutrient-rich. They are free from added sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients. This way of eating is good for your health. It can help you maintain a healthy weight. The Blue Zone diet offers many health benefits. It can help you live a longer, healthier life. Studies show that people who follow a Blue Zone diet have lower cholesterol levels, lower blood pressure, reduced risk of heart disease, reduced risk of type 2 diabetes, improved gut health, and better cognitive function. The Blue Zone diet is rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants protect your cells from damage, which can reduce your risk of chronic diseases. The Blue Zone lifestyle also emphasizes physical activity, stress reduction, and social connection. These factors play a crucial role in longevity and well-being. Regular physical activity keeps your body strong and healthy. Stress management techniques help you cope with life's challenges. Strong social connections provide support and a sense of belonging. Blue Zones are located in different parts of the world. These regions share common lifestyle factors that contribute to longevity. Okinawa, Japan. Okinawans enjoy a diet rich in vegetables, tofu, and sweet potatoes. Sardinia, Italy. Sardinians consume a Mediterranean diet high in fruits, vegetables, olive oil, and whole grains. Loma Linda, California. This community of Seventh-day Adventists follows a vegetarian diet and emphasizes social support and spirituality. Nicoya, Costa Rica. Nicoyans eat a traditional Mesoamerican diet with beans, corn tortillas, and tropical fruits. Icaria, Greece. Icarians consume a Mediterranean diet rich in olive oil, vegetables, and herbs. They also have strong social connections and engage in regular physical activity. These Blue Zones demonstrate that lifestyle factors play a significant role in longevity. By adopting some of these principles, we can improve our own health and well-being. The Blue Zone diet is not about living exactly like people in these regions. It is about incorporating their healthy habits into our own lives.